Meaning of disobedient.
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 Disobedient. The term disobedient refers to someone who fails to follow rules, laws, or orders from authority figures such as parents, teachers, or government officials. Such behavior can result in consequences like punishment, fines, or even legal action. Being disobedient may also lead to a decrease in trust and respect from those in positions of power, which can have long-term negative impacts on personal and professional relationships. Ultimately, disobedience can create a sense of disorder and chaos in society if left unchecked, leading to potential harm for individuals and communities.